Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video on how to fix your Kirby problems. The main reason I see Kirbys come into my shop is that they're not running anymore. Now, a lot of times that could be a simple thing. The Kirby could have a bad plug. The way to tell if you have a bad plug is just grab it and wiggle the ends of it, and if it's really loose on the end, then you probably have a bad plug. And yes, your Kirby won't run. That's usually not what's wrong with it. What causes the Kirbys to go bad is the switch, or better put, things not engaged to the switch. And I'll show you what I mean. In the previous video I've showed you how to change a belt, so that'll explain how to take the head off of a Kirby like I just did. This right here is part of the switch to the Kirby. It's a safety feature, so obviously you're not going to be able to plug it in, turn it on, and have this start spinning around, because these are strong motors and this will grab you and this will hurt you. So that switch has to be engaged. The head of the Kirby engages that switch, so it won't run without the head on it. Now, either this head or the shampoo head, but either way it's not going to run without that on it. So that's the first thing. If that's not on, it's not going to run. So with no head on the machine, your Kirby won't run. Put your head back on and try it again and make sure it runs that way. The other way, and the way I see it most of the time, is when somebody's done vacuuming, they will take the bag assembly off the Kirby. They'll take this off and they'll put their whole shampoo assembly up there. If you don't hook this back on correctly, the Kirby won't run. Right inside of here is a safety switch. And you can see it. It's a little black switch right in there. It's kind of tied into the switch into the front of the Kirby as well. So here's what happens. Somebody puts their bag assembly back on, snug it up. They go to plug in their Kirby. They press the switch, and the Kirby doesn't run. 9 times out of 10, if somebody comes into my shop with this problem, I'll pop that on the side. The Kirby runs. So if you want to save yourself some money, and a fix that can be 20, 30 bucks and something done real fast, make sure that bag assembly is popped back over and in the right spot, and make sure your head is pushed all the way on the machine. That'll save you money, and that'll take care of the reason why your Kirby doesn't run. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I appreciate it. If you like what you see, please give it a like, give us a thumbs up, share the video, and please subscribe. In the future, there's going to be a lot more how-to videos as far as cleaning supplies, vacuum supplies, and we're going to do some vacuum reviews as well. Thanks again.